one outside, di ba?
Basta. Ibad.
Basta pa mo. Kumpisa ra.
Thank you, Kevin.
Okay. Give me cry.
Don't cry. I just feel bad.
Why?
Thank you, Kevin.
Just know I'm always there for you, Kahit ano, kahit saan. Kahit kailan. So don't.
Thank you. I just feel bad. Stop.
I always like to hear you laughing or smiling. Or see you smiling, Hirap. Tingnan.
Hindi ko na kaya eh. Kaya umiyak na talaga ako. Ewan ko, ang dami ko nang naiisip.
Ako din.
Na feeling ko hindi tama.
Inaasahan pa mo is that's I assign it to you? Tama. Okay. I'm making positive, making sure.
I'm just, I'm negative. I'm always negative. That's why I don't feel bad. Don't like my attitude.
Amo. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna tell you once.
What?
I always want you to believe in yourself, Kasi I think, karapat dapat ka sa...
Don't say that.
I know sometimes you can't see it, but I see it and everyone else sees it in here too.
Don't make me cry. Let's go, Kevin. Thank you.
Pero I'm more karapat dapat. Just let you... Joke lang. Joke lang.
You make me laugh. Go,
Just gotta make sure you're not down, It's my job.
Okay, just go. Just go. Thank you, Kevin.
Go ahead. I at least want to see a smile before I go to sleep. Because then I'll think about... the last thing I saw about Pamu was... I saw tears and I saw her frowning. And then she made me cry. I at least want to see you smiling, kahit red nose siguro. Smile,
I'm smiling.
I can't see your whole face. I see eyes and a blanket.
Thank you, Kevin. Good night. Smile!
Saan? Okay, smile. Okay.
Good night na. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Kevin.
If you cry again, I'm gonna run in here and I'm gonna hit you with the pillow or something. If you cry, I'm gonna tie you down and tickle your knees till you can't stop laughing. Good night, Pamu.
Good night.
Sleeping, so I get...
Because I miss you already. So kaya mo na tickle you, Pamu.
I'm okay.
No, you're not. Be okay. Be okay.
I'm okay, promise. Hindi ko lang talaga na pigilan na. Hindi ko na talaga kaya.
Okay lang. Basta,
Sorry, kuya.
Okay lang.
Ka nandito pa.
Because I miss you already. I have to sleep in there by myself. Not there, so just this.
Go na. Good night. Kaya talaga ako. Hindi ko na kaya. Sabog na ako! Kuya,
Don't explode.
night na. Ayan ako, kuya.
Do you sleep here?
Yeah.
Bantayan mo.
Yak na kaya ko na ka.
She cries. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna tickle her. I'm gonna tickle her till she can't breathe anymore. She'll die. Ay. So she'll stop. No more crying. Eh?
Ah! Oo nga. Ano yan ako, kuya?
Bakit naman? Okay lang yan. Ay, pamo, si pamo pa kahit di ba tayo?
Oo nga. Ang makinig dyan.
Because I told her if she cries, I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna tickle her. And then she won't be able to cry.
Bakit pag sa'yo nag-open up si pamo? Just,
Sa inyo din naman eh.
charot.
Night. Oh, night.
Night.
Nakalimutan mag-good night sa atin, dalawa.
Oo, dun sa isa lang na good night.
Ayoko na.
Okay.
Dun ka na lang, Taskit. Dun ka na mag-good night.
Night, Pamu.
Oo,
Gusto
ilang
kayo
good night
nahuli?
lang. Tapad pa kita.
Night, Pamu.
Good night.
Bless you.
Divine.
Ah.